Alright, here we go. Let's start on Twitch output 2. Let me go over to the Twitch page. And let's go. So I wanna, it's over to the Twitch page. Oh wow, the Burger King
Mr. Peanut.
Wow. Okay, cool. So let's do my page. Let's go to my channel. Go to my channel. Okay. Let's copy. Let's change details. Let's go over to. Oh no, I goofed. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to Creator Studio. Sorry, I'm just getting set up here, guys. Let's go over to lives. Let's go content, live. Should have one live now. Perfect. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this. And I'll bring that, we'll restart Twitch. And we'll set this as the title. I can do that if it'll let me. Let's collapse that. Let's update this. Boom. Okay. And then let's open this up. That's perfect. And then we got this one done, so don't want to go to that. I want to actually go to the video. Okay, now what I want to do there. Smooth that out. It's here. Copy this. Boom. Let's copy that. That's perfect. And then we. Oh. You know, don't you just hate listening to yourself talk? I think it's crazy. I think it's crazy audio to hear yourself talk. But anyways, okay. We have both of these up. Should be good here. Today I kind of want to work on something slightly different. Just want to make sure that everything is looking as expected. It is. Let's go ahead and put a little music on. See if we can get Spotify. Try to get like non-copyrighted music. Non-copy. What if we go on YouTube for that? YouTube, no, we should go Google. I guess we can do that on this browser here right now. Let's just go here. Boom. Let's go Google. Let's go non-copyright music. I think this is probably going to be our best chance here to go with something like this. But I would like to. Oh, that's crazy. Audio control there. There's like absolutely no audio control. But And if that will work, let's do that, and let's close this one out. Switch back over here, and I mean this is great, but like, okay, I need a little bit more out of a playlist. I need a little bit more. Let's go this.
Hold me close till I get up.
There's no way that song is like not copyrighted, but okay, that's fine. Okay, let's open this one back up. On cam, Joanna, what's up, dude? Hey, so today we're actually gonna start a new project, and we're not giving up on this project yet. We're gonna come back to this. I still really want to complete this, and I think we're in a really good spot for this, but this is not what I want to focus on today. What I want to focus on today is well, I kind of want to write this out a little bit. So if I go here and we go personal projects, oh, that's connect. Oh yeah, okay. So what I want to actually do is I want us to map out the next project here. So if we go page, and we turn this into, I've already got a name for it, we're going to turn it into Project Craft. And so, what's up, Jawan? How you been, dude? I got my protein. You gotta make sure I'm aiming for 180 grams of protein. Let's see. Okay, cool. So, okay, yes. So we're gonna name this Project Craft. That's gonna be the code name for this one. And this is gonna be a web app. So we're gonna have a web app. It'll be a web application. The goals of it, the ultimate goals is I want to have I want it to be like a creator studio and also a monitor for some analytics. So it's going to be split into two pretty much. It's going to be one that's going to be very YouTube-esque. So for this one, I want to be able to create media. So I want it to do two things. I want it to kind of be like an image editor for carousel. So Instagram uploads, I want to start mainly focusing on that. So Instagram uploads, I want something similar to like a Clippo, which I'll show you guys what that is. And this is another streamer, and if you're watching me, you've probably seen them get Clippo. Never stream to an empty room. Okay, Clippo automatically turns every stream into viral. Short stuff funnel. Limited to first start auto posting. Stream manage stream shorts. See, like, this is really good, you know? Oh my. So Clippo, the only clipper that runs itself. Monthly clip limit unlimited. And then we have for streamers posting a few times a week. Building period. Like, this is really good for posting now and then. 4 hours of posting videos. Manual layouts, classic. This is a really good, like, I really like this. Sweat for you. See, this is the next product. I really like this. This dude I recently just found, and I really like this. So this is what we're gonna build something. Post on a YouTube thing. AI picks the bangers. Post on autopilot. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Do something similar. But really, the biggest part of this is this first part, this image editor. I'm gonna start uploading to Instagram. So I want that to be a huge part of this. Something similar. So, but let's start with this. Something similar to Clipbo. Get Clipbo. Come. Something vertical. Where AI automatically. Starts cooking videos. This is like a future later goals. It's like a later goal, when we expand this. But the biggest goal right now is the image editor. I want a house for all social media. So image editor will be really good. I want maybe some type of analytics. Analytics for uploads. I want to start doing YouTube uploads, and maybe like a thumbnail branding generator of sorts. This is like I think these are the 3 biggest goals that I want to hit with that. So the first thing I always like to do, because it's just the most fun thing to do, is always go with Stitch with Google. And I'm probably gonna create a video on like my workflow with it, and it'll be hopefully cool. Maybe I'll suck, but I was watching this Google I/O, and it was pretty cool. Your Vive design partner. Let's see. Start with there.
We just launched a new camping collection. Add the new Adventure Essentials category to the home screen.
Yeah,
scratch that. Sick. Let's put Adventure Essentials right under Discover Your Stay.
On it.
What is actually pretty cool about this is that I have this website that I found on X. I can't remember who sent me this, or I found it on X, but I can't remember whose post it was. But what's really cool is if we go to styles, how's that? Referro.design. Oop, I spelled that. But this is, we can get design and these from this. So what I'm looking for in here is looking for something that looks sick. Not monochrome looks sick. But what I want is some type of like dashboard. Let's look at, so what we want is switch style, feature shipping, popular, kind of like dashboard. There's the one looks cool. Let's go back to let's delete this. Let's go with a, what is this? Oh no, I don't want that. Luxury minimalism. That's pretty cool. That'd pretty cool. This one's dope. Let's go dark UI. Yes, these are cool. Your class. Yeah, okay. This one's kind of cool here. That's the same one I picked a second ago. Yeah, that's great. No, okay. I also like something like this. Like this is dope. Briefing, it's got like good dimensions though. What's this website actually? It is pretty dope. I think something like this is Dimension is winding down on May 20th. After 4 years we're winding down, we started Dimension to get people to come back and AI could 4 years, wow. Let's do trending again. Let's go for, I feel like this linear one is good. Problem is like all of these are just, Raycast is good. These are all like landing pages, which is great, but I would love to see the dashboards for them. Oh, oh god. That's a bot. That's a bot in my chat. Linear app. Yeah, this looks beautiful. I love this type of look. This is sick. This type of look is sick. Product Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's move forward. We have the design stuff for this one, which is great. And we have this one. So we'll ask for this to kind of give us that. But let's start with Stitch first. So actually let's go back and we can actually close out the simulator. Close out the simulator and open go that. And that way we have full context of it here. And then let's get an agents window. Perfect. Let's close these out. Let's do like that is plan a new idea. Do want to plan a new idea, but I want it to live. Let's create the directory here. So let's go developer, new folder, project, should be project craft. I don't like how this looks. Clean up. Okay, there you go. Project craft. And in there, project craft. Project craft. Okay, wait, craft. And then in here, let's go. Let's open up what we already have here in our Notion. Oh, kind of. Web application goals. Creator. Oh, AI for real. AI viewers stream. You know what? The problem is, like, I bet you they probably, like, get hits off of it, you know? Juan, you've been playing any games, man? Nope, no what to do. Okay, see, I really like this one menu, but I feel like it's too touchy. By the way, the one menu is like this application I'm using to like snap my monitor a little bit. I played Marvel. Oh, nice. I kind of wanted to get into that again because I would love to sit in my couch and play Marvel Rivals on my PS5. So maybe we play that. I know RJ plays that. I don't know if he still plays it a lot, but I know he plays it. Well, distributor. Studio. Really, I want it to work as my home base for tracking how my videos do, and also for creating my Instagram posts. Should create. Additionally, would love to a thumb. But I'm an old man, so I'm about to hit the hay. Cyclops is getting that in a month. I have an interview in there. Nice, dude. Sean, let's go, dude. I hope you got it. I hope it all works out for you, man. But anyways, I hope you have a good night, and yeah, I hope you get it. Let me know how that goes. I'll be on I'll probably be streaming either tomorrow night or the day after. I'll be like, alright, bet. I'll see you then. Whoa, 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 why did it VP? Why did it look into VP web app? Whoa, I don't like that. Search files in VP web app. That was weird, because why are you in VP web app? That's weird. Okay, what platform do you go live? Okay. Let's go B, do YouTube live, and we do, let's go, I go live on YouTube and Twitch, but primarily I am focused on YouTube. I appreciate it, Joanna. I'm probably only gonna be on for like another 30 minutes, so we'll get everything mapped out, maybe like the plan wise, and then tomorrow or Thursday, we'll go ahead and start working on implementing the actual design and stuff like that. But hopefully we'll get a design like stitched out tonight. Okay, for version 1, we'll put base life stats. Creation to the Instagram thumbnails and cooking. Light YouTube stats. Yeah, let's go with the bounds. Look at that. Review plan. Okay, let's take a good look at this plan. Oh, anyways, product related. So we have a live hub session. Creation views, post, yes, YouTube analytics, okay. AI clipping, paste, YouTube. Okay. Instagram Studio, multi-slide, and then text auto exports up to the template picker, title, brand, yeah. Oh, I went into my web app to see what I'm used to. So at the app level, yes, Next.js 15 is fine. UI. This would expedite it. Shadcyan would expedite it for sure. Okay, so dashboard about views. YouTube Hub. Clip pipeline, studio tools. Okay, let's switch phase C and D around. Switch phase C and D around. balance progress with the carousel editor.
It's a little like food, yeah, that's alright. When I see you, just steal my sight. And we're sitting on the curb of the parking lot, talking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so why you in such a hurry? And it's a parking lot
For
sunrise
phase
with a girl
E,
says that she
I'm
might.
not worried
She might
about
just sign me on
what.
We're in sold an hour under a parking lot sunrise with a girl says that she might just sign me on We're in sold an hour. It's a little bit late, it's a little bit light, but when I'm with her, it just feels right. I say I've been running around, I'm exhausted, but when I'm with you, it feels like I've been anesthetized. She said I don't really mind being put under.
Transcabiac.
I'll be waiting for the sunrise, and it's a parking lot sunrise.
Let's also keep costs in mind. I want to eventually monetize this product. And also don't want to spend too much money when I am using it personally. Another piece of this is, what's another thing? What was I just gonna say? Another piece of this is, shoot. And I also wanted to, forgot what I was gonna get it to do as well. Oh, look at this. That's pretty cool. I swear I just saw, I just saw something like this a little bit ago. That's great. And by that I mean just like, it's crazy. A lot of AI stuff. This one's also really cool. This is actually a project we're gonna keep in mind for later. This is part of the time. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yo, listen.
I like this one.
That again, I'm shelling them. Flow galactic, cool man Bellingham. Man, I got love in Krakow and Birmingham. The gal love me, but I keep hurting them. I'm a twat, got the chat. Bit of this and bit of that. I'll run up in your yard with the Polish lads. By the time we're done, it won't be your flat, like flat. Tire, jet, flyer. Man marking a tart in a raid Maguire. Hardest skis in the game, Dan Dyer. I got loads of heat like a shit hair dryer. And again, I'm a big game player. Fly your sister out to Marbella. Treat her nice to a one paella and a Chardonnay and a pack of Stella. We make it bang like shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it bang like shotgun. And if you want lyrics, I got some. We make it bang like shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it bang like shotgun. And if you want lyrics, I got some. We make it bang like shotgun. Best dressed in a rave like got one. Nah, I ain't got a wife, but I
Alright, okay, so we have the new description here. Balanced YouTube, yes, close.
Getting silly at the function. 2 pints of beer and my brain can't function. Drive fast, don't stop at the junction. It's P, I don't need introduction. Yo, they already know what I'm on. Won't slow down, but I just carry on. I make tunes for the gal and tunes for the dons. We make it pop off every single time that we're on. We make it bang like shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it bang like shotgun. And if you want lyrics, I got some. We make it bang
I'm gonna implement testing as a phase of this.
let me pop one. We make it bang like
Maybe
shotgun.
not
And if you
when
want lyrics, I got
it's
some.
not
We
ready
make it bang like shotgun.
for other users,
Let me pop
but
one.
for
We make it
when
bang like
I,
shotgun. And if you want lyrics, I got some.
maybe
We make it bang
not
like
when
shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it
it's
bang like
just
shotgun.
me
And if you want lyrics,
using
I got
it,
some.
but once we start heading into an MVP, this should be
Where did you go? My heart's on a mission. Search of my soul, 'cause I feel you slipping. Don't fade away to memory. I can feel you calling out my name. Somewhere in the galaxies, I feel you waiting.
okay. I think I'm ready to move on. So let's
I'm praying to God for peace in my mind, knowing you're
I think the name for this one.
somewhere
Let's go move that.
we're frozen in time, so I close my
Milo
eyes,
Studios,
search for signs until you
apartments, Milo. Okay. So what is this Milo Studio? Is it cool? Is this Instagram? Look at that, that's sick. I like how it's showing on here. That's sick. These are awesome. Okay. Very dark themed, but very cool, very cool. Alright, okay. So let's go with, okay, they definitely need they need better apartment thing. But anyways, the reason I was looking that up is because I would like, even though it's Project Craft, the name of this, I would like to give it, let's start with naming this project by Project Milos Studio. The name of this project should be Milos Studio. That's another thing. Oh. Okay, so now this is step one. Then what we're gonna do is this is one. I'm gonna quickly be right back. Turn on my cam for just a second here. So, this song kind of hitting.
Protective with my heart, lucky key. I got feelings, but I'd rather keep it to myself. Don't wanna see if for someone else. I got a secret, and I'm keeping it just to keep it to myself. But when you find out, secret, and I'm keeping it just to keep it to myself. But when you find out, just come over, stay with me. I won't kiss and tell, make believe. I got feelings, but I'd rather keep it to myself. Don't wanna see if you got them for someone else. I got a secret, and I'm keeping it just to keep it to myself. To myself.
Oh,
But
I was
when
muted that
you
whole time.
find
That kind of
out,
sucks. But whatever. Yeah, I'm getting tired of this song. Okay. give me each prompt. Say, if we plan to create a custom design with Stitch, Google Stitch, should we be using ShadCN? Okay. Alright, let's go back to this. And let's get out of here. And start. Start with this one. Come.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
See it? Are we cooking? Are we not cooking? This will probably be the last piece that we do today, and then we'll continue with a couple more iterations. Yeah. Probably do this and number one, and we'll come back. Let's see, how's our computer doing? Oh, very good actually. Love that. Whoa. Whoa, that's new. I like that. Silly keys. I think that this I don't really like the color scheme. I am not the biggest fan of color scheme. That was probably not the best prompting, but that's what we got right now.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Are we doing anything here? I feel like it's probably generating some. What's going on? Didn't do anything? To get this right, which should... Oh. It has asked me a question. Midnight and gold, a classic navy. And soft and dark. Maybe this one? Let's go back to looking at some of these.
Get ready for verse 2, Electric Boogaloo. You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Whoa, you don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your
Oh wow, look at this. This is sick. It has a full like color wheel. That's insane. Let's go back. That was sick. Right elements. This is slightly different from what I was seeing though. I hate that it just did that. Oh shoot. I don't. What was I on before that? I was on styles or something. It's like styles. 4 for like maybe less. See? They must have had it before. Okay. Okay, let's go. Dashboard. Popularity, maybe. Okay, it's gonna show me the same thing. Alright, let's go. Wow, I can't believe that another used to be free. Wow. There's some cool stuff. What else can we look at? That might be inspiring. Task management. This looks cool. It kind of looks like, what's it called? Kind of looks like, what was I gonna say? Like a Notion. Okay. Let's see what we have. See, like, this is way different. This is the beta. And then we have this one where it's like, stuff. Popular. What if I do dashboard? Here. It's different. It's different. This one only shows you the landing page and the general design. But anyways, let's see how Stitch is doing. Okay. I think I kind of like this better for maybe rendition 1. That's cool. Okay. This is fine. Let's go move forward with this. Let's delete this. We like this. Let's look at the next prompt we're supposed to give it here. So let's go login. So yeah, let's go login. Boom. Go back in here. Whoa, very sick. Kind of cool, but also cool. But I don't feel like this fully follows your and also be centered, and the footer should be at the bottom, not in the middle. I think I'm doing something wrong with the prompts, because any other time that I've used this, it's been very like one-shotty, like one shot and we're done. And right now we are not doing what we need to be doing here. See, like, look how high up it is. Okay, I like that better. I like this much better. But still, it's like it doesn't seem to be fully following its this should be centered. It should leverage the fonts. I think we're giving it too specific. Okay, see, okay, now it wants to create a screen. I think we're being like maybe too specific. Login screen. Okay, see, like, I get that. So let's delete both of those and let's go back to the prompt. Go back to the prompt. And let's go. Let's review the prompt. And then login screen. Dark subtle. Create a home base for YouTubers. We don't have to be. We don't have to do all that. Let's do that. Let's see what that looks like. Just see where it wants us to go. Oh. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you creating it? Okay. I hate that it's not. I hate that it's creating for a mobile device, and I don't like that. Yeah. Should be for a web app, not a mobile device. Okay. Okay, I just don't get that. Oh my god. Don't want a responsive view.
And I might make a fool of myself. So tell me what to do, that intel. And I can meet you on the west side. She said that she won't roll with me, I told her let's ride. Tell me, girl, what do you fantasize? Nah, all I wanna be is the top prize. Top prize. Oh my god. Top prize.
Mm.
Top prize. Oh my god.
Don't like that I have to explicitly yeah, see, and it's not really working on me. But then again, I feel like maybe what's going on is like, is it like this is the bottom and it's like not creating the top? What's going on? No, I kind of like that better. I like that card better, but let's delete this. I hate that. Let's leave this for now, and then let's just start working on the next page for now. Let's see what comes out of that. But I'm not necessarily enjoying what's going on here. And I almost feel like the other model was better. Like 2-3 weeks ago was better. Dashboard. In the app side, left side. Remember this is for a desktop web app and not a mobile app. Took way down there. No, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. I like that. I like this. Let's do a couple more variations of this. Generate variation. Explore. Tab 3. And then this will be the last thing we'll hop off here. But so far so good. I mean, we're having struggles earlier, but this is... Well, we'll figure it out. Okay. This is cool. What I could also do is maybe potentially this is cool. I like the idea of this. This is cool. I like the idea of it. I think that's a good stopping point there, though. Thank you guys for watching the stream, and for those who watch the YouTube video afterwards, I appreciate you. Have a good night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.